Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly filter the clan chat in Clash Royale on your iPhone or Android device. Keeping your clan chats clean and organized in Clash Royale can make communication much easier during battles, trades, and clan activities. So whether you want to reduce inappropriate messages, manage spam, or create a friendlier environment for clan members, the chat filter feature helps you improve your overall in-game experience. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to fire up the Clash Royale game on your device, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to choose the settings option in the drop-down menu. Now you have to hit more settings button. Then you have to enable the toggle located right next to filter clan chat. And finally you have to hit the X button to get out of the menu, and that's about it. Filtering the clan chat in Clash Royale is a quick and useful way to create a safer and more enjoyable experience while interacting with your clan members. Once enabled, the chat filter can help you reduce offensive or inappropriate messages, making clan conversations cleaner and easier to manage for players of all ages. So whether you play casually with friends or compete seriously in clan wars, adjusting your chat settings can enhance your overall gameplay experience. Later, if you ever no longer want to filter the clan chat in SEA, just return to the same setting and then disable this very toggle, and that's all there is to it. Now that you've unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it in order to keep the clutter at a fair distance, and I'll catch you up in the next one.